Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas.
A dry stream doesn't have to be long. Even a small arrangement of a pitcher and stones adds movement, form, and a natural feel to the garden. Here, nature itself creates a roof. A tree, a round platform, and simple benches transform the garden into a cozy outdoor living room. When surrounded by greenery on all sides, an ordinary sitting area becomes a garden living room. Here, you want to sit longer, listen to the silence, and enjoy nature. A brick fireplace immediately makes the garden warmer and more inviting. Add gravel, benches, and a green hedge, and you have a tranquil outdoor seating area. A wicker screen helps separate the sitting area without weighing down the garden. The space remains open, but feels more cozy, calm, and complete. Tall flowers in white pots immediately add a festive touch to the yard. They seem to lead along a path, transforming an ordinary entryway into a beautiful formal area. Even a small yard can provide a convenient place to grow plants. A mini greenhouse on a raised bed saves space and helps keep the area tidy. A bamboo screen helps create privacy without a heavy fence. Add a few flowering planters, and a simple wall becomes a stylish part of the garden. If you're looking for a unique fence, try adding wood cuts. They create a living texture, look beautiful among the greenery, and make the fence part of the garden design. A hammock doesn't have to be fabric. Branches, ropes, and a little imagination create a unique lounger with a true woodland feel. Even a simple path to the house can be a beautiful addition to the garden. Add gravel, round slabs, flowers, and soft lighting, and the entryway will instantly feel more inviting.
We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments, and subscribe to our channel.